Hello class, this is the worksheet that I gave you today, and this is number 10, the other side of the worksheet. Here, number 10, you'll see the equation read as 3x minus 5y equals 10. Well, this equation is not written as slope-intercept form of the line, which is y equal mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. I hope you all remember this. Here, so we need to rewrite this equation so that it look like y equal mx plus b. Therefore, so here you can see your y is alone in this general equation of the line. So here we need to turn this equation look like this. You need to solve this equation. You need to get the y alone. So I'm going to show you here by the side of the equation. You can do the same with me. So it is 3x minus 5y equals 10. So I need to get this 3x to the other side of the equation. To do that, this is positive 3x. There's no sign here in front of the 3. That's why it's positive 3x. So we do the opposite operation. It is negative 3x. So if you do negative 3x here, you need to do the same operation to the other side of the equation. So I'm going to write it here, minus 3x, the other side of the equation. 3x minus 3x canceled each other. I'm left with here in this side minus 5y equal, I'm going to write negative 3x first, plus 10. This is positive 10, as because they're not like terms, we cannot do any operation with them. So you just write them as it is. Well, if y is not alone, like the way it was in the general equation, we need to get the y alone. Therefore, you divide this by negative 5 to get the y alone. So if you divide this by negative 5, you divide all the term of the other side of the equation by negative 5. Therefore, this negative 5 and negative 5 cancelled each other. You have y left. So you get the y alone by itself, like the general equation of the y equal mx plus b. Here, negative and negative become positive. I prefer to keep this slope as a fraction. So, slope means rise over run. Here I have rise 3 and run 5. Here is the y-intercept, which is 10 divided by negative 5. So positive times negative is negative. 5 goes to 10 2 times. Well, now this equation look like your y equal mx plus b. Y equal mx plus negative 2. There's nothing here. That's why you're going to say plus negative 2. Slope, once again, is 3 over 5, and y-intercept is negative 2. Now we are ready to draw this in our the graph that you have here. So our equation is let me see if you can see it. I can zoom out a little bit for you. Hold a second. There you go. Okay, so you start with the y-intercept, the y-intercept, which is negative 2. So from the y-axis here, this is your y-axis. I'm going to name it y-axis. This is your x-axis. So from the y-axis, you'll find negative 2, which is 0, 1, 2 here. I'm going to make it dot. You do the same with me. So this is your negative 2 y-intercept. Now, from this y-intercept, you'll go rise 3 step and run 5. Well, I told you, rise is always depending on the rise is positive or negative. So this is positive 3, so you're going to go up 3 step. 1, 2, 3. Then run, which is positive 5, always to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So again, this is positive 3. So from the y-intercept, we go 2 step up, 3 step up, 1, 2, 3 step up, and 5 step to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once you get 2 points, you can connect them and extend them to the both directions a little bit. You put arrow sign. So this is your linear equation, a straight line of the equation they gave you. Would you please do the same procedure for number 8? From here, you do the same thing that I showed you for number 8.